Today we're going to explore the top 5 best mini projectors under $50 that give you a big screen experience on a super small budget. We'll break down each model's picture quality, brightness, portability, connectivity options, and overall performance so you can easily find the best affordable option for your needs. Whether you want to watch movies, stream videos, or enjoy entertainment on the go, these mini projectors are designed to deliver fun and convenience without spending much. Check the links in the description for full details and buying options. So stay tuned and watch the full video to find the perfect mini projector for you. Number 1. Flashforge Adventurer 5M, Beginner Version, 3D Print. The Adventurer 5M is a beginner-friendly high-speed 3D printer designed for fast, easy, and reliable printing. It reaches up to 600 mm per second speed with a Core XY frame and strong anti-vibration system, helping reduce print time significantly. The auto bed leveling, 25-point system, ensures good first-layer adhesion without manual setup. It includes a high-flow nozzle, 32 mm superscript 3/S, and fast heating, 35 seconds to 200 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for PLA, PETG, and ASA. The quick swap nozzle and PI build plate make it easy to maintain and use. Pros: very fast printing, up to 600 mm per second. Fully auto leveling, high precision. Strong Core XY stable structure. Quick nozzle and plate system. Beginner-friendly setup. Cons: limited build volume, 220 by 220 by 220 mm. Enclosure may require extra upgrade. App features depend on ecosystem. Not ideal for very large models. Final verdict: the Adventurer 5M is a fast, stable, and beginner-friendly Core XY printer. It's best for users who want speed, automation, and consistent quality with minimal setup effort. Number 2. Magcubic HY300 Pro Plus Mini Projector. The Magcubic HY300 Pro Plus is a portable smart mini projector designed for home and casual entertainment use. It supports 720p native resolution with 4K support, plus Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4 for easy streaming. With built-in apps, you can watch content without needing an external TV stick. The projector includes a 5W speaker, auto vertical keystone correction, and a 180 degrees rotatable lens, making setup flexible in small spaces. It's lightweight and easy to carry for indoor or outdoor use. Pros: very portable and lightweight. Built-in apps, no TV stick needed. Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 5.4 support. Easy setup with auto keystone. Good for casual movie nights. Cons: only 720p native resolution. Not very bright in daylight. Best performance in dark rooms. Audio is basic, 5W speaker. Final verdict: the HY300 Pro Plus is a budget-friendly portable projector best for casual home cinema, kids shows, and travel use, especially in dark environments. Number 3. Magcubic HY300 Pro 2026 Mini Projector. The Magcubic HY300 Pro 2026 is a compact portable projector built for basic home and outdoor entertainment. It supports 720p native resolution with 4K playback, along with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless streaming. The built-in apps let you watch content directly without extra devices. It also includes auto keystone correction, a 180 degrees rotating design, and HDMI/USB ports for flexible setup anywhere. Pros: very compact and travel-friendly. Built-in apps, no TV stick needed. Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth streaming. Easy setup with auto keystone. 180 degrees rotation for flexible placement. Cons: only 720p native resolution. Low brightness, 200 ANSI lumens. Not good in bright rooms. Basic built-in speaker. Final verdict: the HY300 Pro 2026 is a budget mini projector for casual use, best suited for darkroom movies, travel, and simple home entertainment, not for professional or bright room viewing. Number 4. Mini Portable HY300 Pro Projector. This is a budget-friendly mini projector designed for simple home and portable entertainment. It supports 720p native resolution with 4K input, plus Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth for wireless streaming from phones, laptops, and consoles like PS5. The 180 degrees rotation and auto keystone correction make it easy to project on walls or ceilings, and it also includes built-in apps like Netflix. Pros: very portable and lightweight. Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth connectivity. Built-in apps, Netflix, etc. 180 degrees flexible projection angle. Easy auto keystone setup. Cons: only 720p native resolution. Weak brightness, not ideal for daylight. Basic contrast quality. Best for small rooms only. Final verdict: a cheap and convenient projector for casual home use, especially for darkroom movies, travel, or kids' entertainment, but not suitable for high-end cinema quality or bright environments. Number 5. HY300 Pro Mini Projector. The HY300 Pro is a budget-friendly portable smart projector designed for casual home and outdoor entertainment. It supports 4K input with native 720p/1080p output and runs on Android TV, allowing direct access to apps like Netflix and YouTube without extra devices. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth support, it offers smooth wireless connectivity and easy screen sharing from phones and laptops. The projector features 180 degrees rotation, auto keystone correction, and a compact lightweight design, making it easy to set up on walls, ceilings, or flat surfaces. However, its brightness is limited, so it performs best in dark environments. Pros: built-in Android TV with streaming apps. 180 degrees rotation for flexible setup. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth connectivity. Auto keystone correction. Portable and lightweight design. Cons: low brightness, not good in daylight. Basic audio quality. Not true 4K, only supports input. Best only for small/medium rooms. Final verdict: the HY300 Pro is a good entry-level portable projector for movies, gaming, and casual entertainment. It is best suited for dark room viewing and users who want an all-in-one budget smart projector without complex setup.